Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the zebronix optical mouse. So first let's talk about it. It can fit a USB port. It's like a normal wired mouse. It has 1200 dpi. It has high precision, and as normal mouse it has 3 buttons. So now let's unbox it. So it's a top up, and as you can see the wires popping out, and you need to pull this part like this. This is an half gaming and half normal office work mouse. So let's go ahead and connect it to our laptop. So we should put it in the USB port charger, and you could see that this thing is lighting up. So on my computer everything is working very perfect. You can draw anything I'm in paint right now, and it can I'm just gonna for a better I'm just gonna do like a shape. It's very good, and it is a very good mouse if you're gaming or you're in office work. Thank you.